If your Windows 10 laptop has been feeling sluggish, slow to boot up, or freezing during gaming or multitasking, you are not alone. As Windows 10 gets older, Microsoft adds more background tracking, telemetry, and features that overwhelm older processors and RAM. In this complete step-by-step guide, I am going to show you 7 deep system tweaks that will instantly breathe new life into your PC. No sketchy third-party downloads, no dangerous software, just the absolute best optimization hidden right inside your settings. Grab your laptop, follow along, and let's fix your lag once and for all. And today, I'll be working on this laptop. As you can see the specs, it's low-key a low-end laptop. By default, Windows sets your laptop to a balanced plan. This is designed to save battery, but it limits your CPU's speed, causing microstutters when you open software. To fix this, open your control panel. Navigate to Hardware and Sound, and select Power Options. Expand the Additional Plan section and click High Performance. This signals your system to unlock the maximum potential of your processor immediately. If you are on a desktop or permanently plugged into the wall, this is an absolute must-change setting. But if you only have balanced performance here, just follow what I'm doing. Next, let's stop Windows from wasting your graphics power on useless visual transitions. Every time you open, close, or minimize a folder, Windows 10 renders a slow animation effect. Search for Adjust the Appearance in your start bar. When this menu opens, select Adjust for best performance and then click Apply and then OK. This next step is one of the biggest hidden culprits for laptop lag. Windows 10 keeps dozens of universal apps running in the background, updating feeds and draining your system RAM, even if you have never opened them. Open your Windows settings, head into Privacy, and scroll all the way down on the left menu until you see Background Apps. Right here at the top, turn Let Apps Run in the Background completely off. Don't worry, your apps will still launch perfectly when you click them manually. They just won't be silently stealing your processing power when closed. Press Windows key plus R, type services.msc into the box, and press Enter. Click on any of these and press S, and then scroll down through this massive list until you find Sysmain. Right-click it, choose Properties, change the startup type to Disabled, and make sure to hit the stop button to kill the process right now. Hit Apply and watch your disk usage drop back down to normal. When you hit the power button on your laptop, how long does it take until you can actually open a browser? That is determined by your startup apps. Open your Task Manager using Control plus Shift plus Escape, or right-click on Windows and press Task Manager and jump over to the Startup tab. Look at the Startup Impact column on the right side. If you see apps like Microsoft OneDrive, Spotify, Edge, or game launchers labeled as High Impact, they're choking your laptop during boot up. Right-click them and select Disable. This keeps them from turning on automatically when you boot your PC, saving valuable memory. For our 6th tweak, we are going to clear up massive gigabytes of system junk that clogs your hard drive's cache. Open your Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, and launch the app. Once it loads, don't just click OK. Click the button that says Clean Up System Files. This expands the scan to include old Windows Update leftovers and system logs that can easily accumulate over 20 gigabytes of wasted space. But for me, it doesn't show a lot of stuff because I've done that before. Check the boxes for temporary internet files, system temporary files, and your recycle bin, and hit OK. After finishing, navigate to your regular settings menu. click Update and Security, and look for Delivery Optimization on the side. Turn off Allow downloads from other PCs. If this is left on, Microsoft uses your laptop's internet bandwidth and background processing power to upload Windows updates to strangers on the internet. Turning it off protects both your internet ping and your system speed. And now open File Explorer, and then go to this PC and right-click on your drive, and then press Tools, and make sure to check the drive for any errors. For me, I'm not going to do it because I've done that before. Also, press Optimize, and then choose your drive, and then press Optimize again. This will help your drive to be faster without any problems. Restart your Windows 10 laptop right now to let all these changes properly apply to your registry. Once it boots back up, leave a comment below, letting me know how much faster your PC feels, or tell me what laptop model you are running so I can help you out. If you appreciated this straight-to-the-point, no-nonsense tutorial, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for weekly Windows 10 and laptop technical fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.